So you like to run some WhatsApp ads here for your business. So in the 2026 now, why send someone to a website to maybe buy when you can start a live conversation instantly? So if you have the click to WhatsApp ads have 3 times the conversion rate of the traditional lead form because they are professional, personal, instant, and mobile native. So I'm going to be showing you how to set up your campaign into the Meta Ads Manager. Yes, you might be needed to get started with a Meta Ads Manager. So to get started, first of all, you needed a few prerequisites and linking. You must use the WhatsApp business application or the API. The personal application won't work for ads, so you wanted to connect your phone number to your Facebook page. Once you enter the 6-digit code for Meta, your Messenger bridge is now being active. So I'm going to go directly here into the business.facebook.com in order to get some access and to make this process really fast. Inside here, Meta offers a no Facebook ad option directly inside the WhatsApp application, but for serious scaling, we're going to be using Full Ads Manager. So select the option that says, for example, here into Meta Business Suite. Since we already have now our new elements to get it started, you go for settings, and here you make sure that your business asset is now being correctly added, right? So just like that, I can now focus directly into all the tools, and here into all the tools I can go for the option that says ads. And here into ads, I will be going for the option that says Ads Manager. This is the king for generating your own ads. So I'm gonna first start with adding my first ad account into my first business suite. I go for the option that says Get Started, Continue, and Continue once more. Now, it will be asking you to enter your business manager portfolio, give them some access or request the access depending on if you have access directly from this kind of tools. And when you are now inside Facebook, for example, you're now actually good to go. So I just will wait till I have now access directly inside here. Let's say that we wanted, of course, to get started with a new element directly inside here. Let's say, for example, my home with the dashboard, and you wanted to generate with your first ad. So go to ads, get started, and create, for example, like a boost post, right? So if I focus directly here into my ads manager, I will be having now much more access than I usually have. So I'm going to get started with creating an actual campaign. Directly here into this actual element where it says create my campaign, it will be having me now access directly into my ads manager. So here I want to be starting with my first campaign, and usually what you want to do is to look out for the option that says engagement. This tells Meta to find people who are likely to send you a specific message, right? So under conversions location, you can choose the messaging application and select, for example, which is the element which you like to use to get started with the campaign objectives. So here it says conversion. I click directly in here. You can choose Instagram direct on your app, calls, and website. So when I choose calls, I have the maximum number here, and I create a rule set. So my daily budget, for example, to get started usually will be like $20. And there we go. Now my schedule date, for example, here I have the audience control. Into my locations, usually what I do is to focus for an advanced campaign if you don't know how to get started. So the advanced audience will be showing you ads to people who are most likely to respond and show you ads to people matching your suggestion, and other audiences would like to improve the actual performance. So the placements, of course, will be, of course, the advanced placement because we don't want to focus a lot in there. And this is the part we're going to be focusing on into my actual ad name. So in here, into the step number 3 of the Magic Greeting template, this is where the sales happens, where they click into your ad. You add in a pre-filled message in specific questions. So ad name, for example, here, let's say, for example, would be ad 1. Here you can start by entering a single image or a single stuff. So it says destination, let's say call into WhatsApp only, and this is the part where you wanted to connect your WhatsApp business account. When you click directly in here, you select your WhatsApp account, paste it directly in here, and this will be sending them directly here into WhatsApp. Then here it says set up creative. You can start by entering an image or an actual video, so just select your information directly inside here. I wanted to enter my promo image. I open it and it should be appearing now into my specific media. So click directly in here, hit into next, and check out how it will be appearing now into vertical and in there. So I'm gonna go for the option that says next. And here the primary text, for example, let's say that I'm gonna be getting started with promoting a specific product. Let's say, for example, learn to use Shopify now. And into my headline, for example, let's say save 70% off on your first 2 months. And there we go. So just like that, I hit for done, and here's my actual element, and here's actually how it should be appearing. Now you can use the labels tag your new list pending. This keeps your inbox from becoming an actual mess. And to optimize your ads, basically you'll need to tell Meta when a chat turns into an actual sale. So you can use the mark as paid label into the WhatsApp to send a signal back to the ads manager. I strongly recommend you to wait till 48 hours to make sure that here it actually appears your actual conversion rating, and you can get actual results, how much money you have spent so far, the cost per results, how many people reached and clicked into your ads, and you can be changing, for example, from different rates of audience, from different let's say people who are 26 or different range from 18 to 35, try to be more younger or more adult, depending on what you're actually selling. Stop fighting with the algorithm and start talking to your customers. I have linked into the description more information about how to get started with those Facebook ads that comes directly here from Facebook Meta into your WhatsApp account. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Good luck with your sales directly here into WhatsApp, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.